Assalamualaikum. My name is Amirul Hakim bin Sanusi. My title for final year project is the effectiveness of sport security and safety in Westport. My supervisor for this project is Dr. Mahini binti Muhammad Nur. Vessels where passenger and cargo can be loaded and discharged by ship. Of port normally located on the coast of the sea. My research will focus on the West Port. Port security is part of a wider maritime security concept. This refers to security law and treaty enforcement and counter-terrorist activity and for which the port and maritime sphere. This requires the security of the seaport timbers and the security and monitoring of the cargo going through the port. Port-related security threats also concentrate on either the physical security of the port or the security risks with the supply chain of the shipping industry. The port security is regulated internationally by the rules provided by the International Maritime Organization and International Security Code for ship and port facility. First, port security system and equipment that fail to function properly have increased accidents in port area. The equipment in port that fail to function absolutely can also cause accident. Risk-based security management system require management staff to identify which activities are necessary control in the organization and for interconnected such activity for effective management. For example, accident that always occur due to damage to the container gantry crane can fall and cause the damage. Second, the sophisticated technology has forced port authority to spend largesse of capital to improve the security system at port. Therefore, both expectors have to be encouraged by the port authorities to produce security systems that have advanced technology. This aim to increase the efficiency of the security system at the port. Lastly, problem statement: the security system in the port was hacked by hackers to steal the important information. The modus operandi of illegal hackers is one of the major interfaces of security management. Most businesses consider they are too small a target for hackers to attack. For example, navigation and population system may be breached by false data. Interference by activation the system may fail a component. Ransomware has been prevalent in both conventional and mobile computing systems and may adapted to the maritime domain. First objective to identify level of security to reduce the occurrence of accidents in the port area. Second, to examine the technology of security system used at the West Port. Lastly, to analyze challenges faced by port security system at the West Port. Research question. First, how to reduce accident in port area. Second, which technology of security system is the best to use in Westport? Lastly, what is the challenge of the security system that face the port? Literature review. First, common security issue. Trespassing on port and sea areas. Safety officials must make sure the non-authorized workers come on board and tampering of regular operation while their vessel in port. Even if reported crew officials properly perform vessel operation, cargo rigging and other critical gear may be tampered with by trespassers, which can lead to serious consequences at sea. Joseph Michael, 2017. Second, researching port security. The hazard previously identified by the consultant include tasks related to work at height, chemical, housekeeping, electric, leak, lockout, and confined space. Kyle Morrison, 2016. Support case study of first cross personal insight and externalities that can be generalized. Methodology is about how a researcher carefully structures a study to ensure valid and consistent findings that address research goals and objectives. This study uses quantitative research methods to produce tangible results. Key data sources are preliminary information collected directly from expert respondents. For example, data was obtained mainly through questionnaire form. This sampling involves identifying and selecting individuals that are especially knowledge and experience in security systems at port. The respondent totally has required 50 respondents consistent of top management and middle management, security official and technical. The respondent was selected because they have a lot of knowledge in this field. SPSS software has a technique called value analysis, and this technique helps in making better decisions about the data. This technique enables the user to fill in the missing blank in order to create better models to estimate the data. The analysis provides the user with procedures for the data management and preparation. SPSS involves some sophisticated inferential and multivariate statistical procedures such as factor analysis, discriminant analysis, analysis of variance, and others. SPSS, as the name suggests, is software performing statistical procedures in the social science field. Part A is the demographic of the respondent answering the questionnaire. A total of 50 respondents were required to help obtain the data for the research. Respondent consensus of employers in Westport such as top management, middle management, security official and technical. Based on the table above, top management the percentage show 80%, for middle management show 54%, security official 20% and technical 80%. Therefore, the data obtained can be used to continue this study. The table shows the result for Part B. 7 questions relate to level the port security. The correlation for the average mean got a score 0.309, minimum got a score 0.180, for the maximum got a score 0.423, Y for the range got a score 0.315, for maximum and minimum got a score 3.909, and variance got a score 0.009. Therefore, in this questionnaire, the respondents show the high value of mean in the question relate to security plan for the future to ensure the level of security in port is high and case of accident or crime the posture can be reduced. In this part of the questionnaire also has the lowest mean value that is related to the port system operation 24/7. This shows the security system in port is controlled all time to ensure the security situation in port is controlled. Therefore, the level of port security in the port very important role as high accident case to ensure due to the operating system being too busy, which the level of security at port must be improved from time to time to ensure the safety of workers. The table shows the result for Part C. 6 questionnaire relate to examine the technology of security system used at the Westport. There is a summary for all points that can be calculated using SPSS. Therefore, in the correlation for the average mean got a score 0.211, minimum got score negative 0.025, and for maximum got score 0.523. For the range got a score 0.527. For maximum and minimum got a score of negative 20.320. and a variance got score 0.015. However, the sophisticated technology system used to control the port area is very important for future improve the security efficiently in the port. Swift ports have many critical surveillance requirements such as protecting from illegal entry and terrorist threat, but they also have to deal with the problem and thrift the day-to-day vandalism. All of this is becoming increasingly difficult today by due to the larger physical areas as compared port security responsibility and the fact the port is usually never closed, conducting activities through the day and night. In this questionnaire, the respondents show the height mean value in the sensor-related question at the port extension. These show that sensor systems are very important to improve security efficiently in port. The sensor can also detect if the container has prohibited items such as drugs, bomb, and others. This will make it easy to maintain security at the port with the presence of sensors to scan the goods before the goods enter the port. In this part of the questionnaire also have the lowest mean value that is related to drone control in port. This is because drone control requires expert energy to control it and it cannot be function automatically. The CCTV are more efficient compared to the use of drone to control security in the port. Therefore, the advanced technology security system is very helpful to improve the level and efficiency of security in port. So the result for Part D. 6 questions relate to challenges the security system at Westport. 50 responded to answer this question. There is a summary for all points that can be calculated using SPSS app. Therefore, in the correlation for the average mean got score 0.285. Range got the point 0.3271. For maximum and minimum got the score 4.323. And variance got the score 0.016. These are many challenges faced by a port such as the threat of cyber attack, loss of container, accident case, and others. This shows that the port authority must strive to overcome the challenges faced so that security in the port is quarantined. In this questionnaire, the respondents show the highest mean value in the question relate to the lack of human resource and people who specialize in computer and the internet. This is because not many people have expertise to fight the hacker because it is so difficult to do, but then only selected people have this expertise. To fight the hacker, the port authority must further increase the level of security at port, especially in the storage or important for data. In this part, the questionnaire also has the lowest mean value that is related to intelligent information from port security. This is because intelligent information requires intelligent security force in upcoming security problems faced so that port security is quarantined. Therefore, port authority must strive to overcome every challenge faced to ensure security in control the ports. First, for discussion, the result of this study show the port security is very important to ensure that bad things should happen, such as accident, loss of container containing the wrong item in container and others. Second, technology also play an important role in helping to increase the efficiency of security level in ports, such as high-quality CCTV sensor that can detect container containing prohibited items. Lastly, cyber attack also help challenges faced by port authority to safeguard the important data available at the port. In conclusion, the comprehensive exploring case study and literature analysis show that the effectiveness of safety and security system in Westport can be feature exchanged for the future. Based on the study, the level of security in the pod is already in good condition but needs to be tightened to ensure the criminal case, accident, and cyber attack will not occur in the pod. The security system in pod play a very important in maintaining the safety of pod and the safety of the worker. Lastly, pod also always in operation, so the security system must always be sensitive to environmental conditions. They are from me, thank you.